Anytime either the motor control board or the power control board needs to be replaced, we need to, the boards do not come flashed. We need to flash software onto them, and the software between the two has to match. So you'll be flashing both boards every time, even if you're only replacing one. To do that, you're going to have your power cord unplugged. Your machine is not plugged in. You're going to connect your USB-A to B mini to your laptop. For the power control board, you're going to unplug this white cable from the motor controller. You're going to plug that into the back of your USB programming module, like so. And then you're going to plug in your USB mini to the board on the other side. You should see some lights flash. Once that's connected, it just hangs there. You're going to go to your FPP tool. It's the globe with the wrench. Open that up. And you're going to need to pick which slicer you are loading. So down here we have what's called the HMI, and that is for the GSP HW, HDW, and HD Classic. Click on that once. Here it's going to give you those same instructions. The machine is not plugged in any way. Click anywhere on that image and it brings up this screen. You're going to pick your folder. I know I have mine on my desktop, so I'm going to go find it. Here it is. Double click on that. We have two files in here, two X files. One is a MC and one is GSP HD Classic Front. We're going to pick that Classic Front. Hit OK. Sorry, we need to choose COM port. In general, you will usually have two COM ports to choose from. I generally choose the higher. You could unplug and replug to see which one it is and refresh, but I believe mine's going to be COM port 6. Once I have my COM port and my file loaded, I hit programming, and it should take less than a minute. If it's not loading or you see an issue, it's just frozen, let it be. Don't unplug or do anything like that. Just let it fail on its own. As you can see, it took all of maybe 20 seconds. It says programming OK. We hit main menu, and now we can unplug anywhere. After you've flashed your HMI, you can reconnect your white cable, and now we're going to move down the motor control board. Unlike the HMI, the motor control board gets plugged into these two connectors on these pins. So you connect carefully, pushing in on both. Reconnect your USB cable. You should see some other lights come on. Some lights on the HMI board and your illuminated knob up here. You also see some voltage LED on the motor control board. We now come back to the FPP tool, which is your globe with the wrench. Double click on it. Instead of going to the HMI, we're going to go to motor controller, GSP HD, HDW, HD, HDW illumination. Click on that, shows you a picture. Make sure not to be connected to your mains power. Click on it again. Go to your folder. It should automatically come up if you're doing this in succession. Pick your MC hex file. hit OK. COM port, COM port 6, hit programming, and you'll see it load. Once again, takes about 30 seconds to load up. Once again, takes about 30 seconds to load up. We have programming OK. Our LED on our slice knob comes back up to green. Hit main menu and disconnect.